Hello and good day to all the dear students. In last video we have completed up to question number 19 of chapter 17 exercise 17. Now today we will take from question number 20 to the last question of our chapter. So please students take care. Here while you are not given figure in the question, you have to understand the question and draw the figure by yourself. So let us start exercise. Chapter number 17, exercise 17, question number 20. The horizontal distance between the two towers is 60 meter and the angular depression of the top of the first as seen from the top of the second, which is 150 meter high, is 30 degree. Find the height of the first. So here there are two towers. So I draw here tower 1 and tower 2 like this. There are two towers. Now it is also written that distance between them is 60 meter. This is 60 meter distance given. Now we'll take here from the one stop. From the top of this there is angle of elevation and that is of 60 degree. 30 degree. So here we write 30 degree angle of elevation. And one more thing, here is given that 150 meter height, which is 150 meter. So this total tower height is 150 meter. Then this distance is 60 meters. So this also become 60 meters, this distance. Next is here we see like this, it makes alternate angles. So if this is 30 degree, why? Because it makes alternate angles. So how much could be this? This could be 60 degree. Why? Because this is 90, 30. So this could be 60 degree. Like that, here I have written height of the tower as h. So this is h here and let this distance be x here. So now we start our solution. The figure is already done. Now we take in this smaller triangle tan theta. So tan theta 30 is equal to opposite is x and adjacent is 60 meters. Now our tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3 is equal to x by 60. So I get x is equal to 60, this crossway, upon root 3 like this. Now we have to take the value of root 3, that you have to remember now, is 60 upon 1.732 and by calculation I get x value as 34.64 meter. So this distance is known. Now what we want to find? We want to find this h, that is the height of the tower. So first tower, this is the first tower, this is the second tower. For that, this is whole 150 meters. If I subtract this 34.64 from it, then I get this h value. For that I write here h is equal to 150 minus x. So 150 minus x value is 34.64 meters and hence I get 115.36 meter, the height of the other tower. So this way we get our answer number 20. Question number 21. From the top of a cliff 150 meter high. So the height of the cliff is 150 meter. The angle of depression of top and bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So here we draw first figure. So here I draw. Then this is tower here and joining them horizontally, and here like this we get. First of all, again top of a cliff 150 meter high. So this is 150 meter height cliff. This total is 150 50 meter. Then secondly, what else given? The angle of depression of top and bottom. So this is the angle of depression here, top and bottom. So top is to be observed as 30 degree here and this is 60 degree here. Likewise, we draw the figure. See, understanding question, you have to read one line and draw the figure. Now find the height of the tower. So here I take, let this be x. Okay, and now this is whole 150. So how much will be this part? This is x only, opposite. So this will be 150 minus x. This much distance only is 150 minus x. Now here nothing is given, so we can write this horizontal distance as y. So likewise we get our figure, complete figure from the cliff and tower. There will be two angles of depression. So now let us start with this big triangle. So tan 60 degree is equal to the whole height is 150 upon y, like this. Now tan 60 is value root 3. So I place the value here, that is tan 60. Now 150 upon y. Taking calculation, y is equal to 150 upon root 3. So next step here will get as this tan 30. Now let me take here tan 30 degree. That will be in the smaller triangle, you see. So tan 30 degrees opposite 150 minus x upon, this is the same y here also. So this is y. Now tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 150 minus x upon y. Now taking cross weight, here y value we got 150 by root 3, which I can substitute here. So first of all I take this y here in a cross way. So y upon root 3 is equal to 150 minus x. Now here I will place this y value from our first equation. So that is 150 upon root 3 and one more root 3 is already here. So we have to multiply both of them, and on right hand side 150 minus x. So now you understand root 3 become 3. So here in the next step I write 150 upon 3 is equal to 150 minus x, and this is 3 5s. So here I get 50. Now I write here, so 50 is equal to 150 minus x, like this. So by solving this equation we get x is equal to 150 minus 50, which is 100 meters. So this is our tower, 100 meter of question number 21. So you can understand this is the tower, this is the cliff, and it is 150 meter high. So this is x, you can take this also x. So it will become 150 minus x, and accordingly you get value of tower 100 meter. Now let us take question number 23. 22 is very easy, you can try by yourself and get the answer. I am taking now question number 23. From the top of a building AB, so here already figure is given. AB is building 60 meters high. The angles of depression of top and bottom of a vertical lamp post CD are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So here I draw the figure. This is AB. AB as given to us building. So here I write AB. Then next that another is CD. Here is CD. So I draw CD. Then join them from horizontal, and there are two angles here, one and the other. So like this. Here it is whole given 60 degree. So this is 60. This will also be 60 degree. Why? Because it form alternate angles. Similarly, I join this line here, and here it is 30 degree given. This is 60 degree. So This way we get here also alternate angles. So this angle also be 30 degree. One more thing given, the height is given here AB 60 meter. So that I write 60 meter height. And what we want to find is the horizontal distance between AB and CD. AB and CD. This distance we want to find out, which is BD. And also the height of the lamp post CD. This is the lamp post CD. So that we have to find out here. Means two things we have to find. So let I take this distance as x, horizontal distance x. So how much is this? This also will be x. So here up to this we have completed. Now here you can write E, some point E where this intersect. Now let us start with the smaller triangle in AEC, tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is AE, that is you can take 30 degree x upon 60, tan 30 degree. Now students, we have to understand here that this is 30 degree angle and this whole is 60 degree. So how much will be this angle? This will be also 30 degree. Why? Because it form 90 degree total. So that way in this big triangle ABD, so I am writing in triangle ABD. This is 30, this is 60 and this is 90. So I can take tan 30 degree, which is x, opposite side, and adjacent side is 60, like this. Now I take tan 30 degree value as 1 upon root 3 is equal to x upon 60. So this way you can understand it like which ratio you can take, and the angles also 30, 90, 60. Now x is equal to 60 upon root 3, and taking calculation like root 3 value I substitute, so that here 60 upon 1.732, x value we get is 34.64 meter. So this is our x value we found here from our figure. Now second relation. So x is what? That is the horizontal distance. So our first answer is here completed, that is the horizontal distance. Now second answer, the height of the lamp post CD we want to find out. For that we will take in this here I will form dotted line. So the smaller triangle is formed here. So I take in that triangle only. Here is x, so this is also x. Now we take this smaller triangle. Here if I take P value, so ACP triangle. So writing in APC triangle, in triangle ACP. So here 30. So tan 30 if I take, then we get PC, that is opposite to it, and adjacent is x. X value we already found. Now I place the value, that is 1 by root 3 is equal to PC as it is, and x is already found here 34.64, which I substitute here. Now taking this upside, I get PC is equal to 34.64 upon 1.732. Instead of root 3 we can put this value, and now by calculation PC is equal to, we get here 20 meters. So this is our this value PC. What we want to find? We want to find this CD value here. So now what can I do here? So this is total 60. It means this is also total 60. From this total 60, if I subtract this PC, so I get CD value. So now CD is equal to, we write here that is 60 minus 20. So now 60 minus 20 we get 40 meter. This is our lamp post given as question in the question. So CD value is 40 meter. And another value, that is the horizontal distance, that we found as x 34.64 meters. So this way we completed question number 23 here. Both the answers found in meters. Question number 24, exercise 17. An aeroplane when 3000 meter high passes vertically above another aeroplane at an instance when their angles of elevation at the same observation point are 60 degree and 45 degree. How many meters higher is the one than the other? So figure is given already. So we start with the drawing figure here. There is a right angle triangle formed. Here A, B and D triangle. Then there is one more angle here. This is of total is of 60 degree and this some smaller one is of 45 degree. So you have to understand the question. Aeroplane when 3000 meter high. So here A is aeroplane and this whole distance is 3000 meter high, means AD is 3000. Then about the paraplane angle of elevation at the same observation point. This is the observation point B, and from there 60 degree and 45 degree, 2 points, 2 angle of elevation are drawn. So how many meters higher is the one than other? So we want to find this distance. Here is C. So AC distance we want to find out. For let AC be X, then how much will be CD? CD will be 3000 minus X. So I can write here 3000 minus X. So this way we write our values. Now let us start with our solution of 24. For that, in this smaller triangle, in triangle BCD, I'll take 1045. 1045 is equal to CD upon BD. So here let us take BD also by, so that we have to put the value. 1045 is equal to 1, and then CD value. CD is here taken as 3000 minus X and BD is Y. So all the values kept here, and this next is Y value is equal to 3000 minus X. This is the relation we found here. Now we take our next tan 60 degree. So in that tan 60 degree is equal to whole angle, means whole AD upon BD. So that is AD upon BD. Likewise, then tan 60 degree, what is the value that we'll write here? It is root 3. So I put here root 3. AD total is 3000 upon BD. BD is as Y. So here Y value is 3000 minus X. That I will substitute here 3000 minus X instead of BD, because this value we are substituting here. Now taking crossway multiplication. So here we get root 3, 3000 minus X is equal to 3000. Okay, so this root 3 into 3000 minus root 3x is equal to 3000. So taking root 3 one side and 3000 on other side. So this root 3x taking on other side become positive, and this 3000 taking here. So we get like this equation. Now 3000 taking common. So I get root 3 minus 1 in the bracket. Here it is root 3x only. Now what we can do? 3000 1.732 minus 1. So here root 3x as it is 3000 into 0.732. So how much the value we get is 2196, and this is root 3. So here I get x is equal to 2196 upon 1.732. And now by calculating this, we get our answer. So I am writing next step as x value. Now here x is divided, so I get 1267.89. It is nearby 1267.9, and nearest to meter x value will be 1268 by rounding off. So x value found here of 24 question. It is what they asked to find out, how many meters, this x distance. It is 1268 meter already found as our answer. This is our answer number 24. Question number 25. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud. Figure already given in the question. So let us take the same figure here. This is given. The lake is given and its reflection is given inside the lake like this. Okay, so this is the total height is capital H we are given in the question. So how much this will be? It will be also capital H, same, because it is the reflection. This is P, R, here is S, Q, here is C, and this is T. Okay, so now again the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter. So this is 60 meter distance given to us, and then it is angle of elevation here 30 degree, and angle of depression of the reflection. This is the reflection. So here angle of depression is given as 60 degree, that is cloud's reflection in the lake. So find the height of the cloud. Means we want to find this H value here. What is the height of the cloud? So how much? This is RS is the lake and its reflection is coming in the lake. So this above lake and below lake distance is same. This is according to reflection, which we have already studied in our physics subject. So you understand it nicely. Now I take this tangent value here, tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is which? CQ. See here, this is whole H, this is 60. So this will be H minus 60. So this much distance is H minus 60. So in tan 30, opposite H minus 60 and horizontal, that is X. Let this will be X here. So similarly this also will be X. So I can write here X. Now value is 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 degree value is 1 upon root 3 kept is equal to H minus 60 upon X. Now taking cross way, so I get like X is equal to root 3 H minus 60. Now we take depression angle to get our next value. So I write here, that is tan 60 degree. Here tan 60 degree is equal to, so tan means this much distance, that will be 60 plus H. This is 60 and this is H. So we can write 60 plus H in division with X, that is horizontal distance, and value of tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to 60 plus H upon X. Likewise, we have to take now X here, 60 plus H upon root 3 down. Now we will place X value here. You see, this is the value we get here as X value, that I will substitute instead of X here. So now this is root 3 H minus 60 on left hand side is equal to 60 plus H upon root 3. Now taking this root 3 multiplication, we get 3H minus 60 is equal to 60 plus H. Now taking further calculation by multiplying this 3 inside. So I write it here. For that we will get here 3h minus 6 3s are 180 is equal to 60 plus h. This way. Now next step, I take this h here. So 3h minus h is equal to 60 plus 180. Solving like an equation only. This is 2h and this is 240 here. So like h value is equal to 120 meter. So you can say by division only h is equal to 120 meter. This is our final answer. What they asked to get here in the question, height of the cloud, and height of the cloud we are given as h. So we have completed our 25th question, answer 120 meter. Now it is the last question of your exercise 17, question number 26. The angle of elevation of the top of a hill at the foot of a tower is 60 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degree. Means here they have given two angle of elevations. If the tower is 50 meter high, what is the height of the hill? So first line, it is given, this is the tower and this is given as hill. Now CD and this is the horizontal line we have drawn. This is AB, okay, and here from this point angle of elevation is 30 degree and from other point angle of elevation is 60 degree. Whenever figure is given to you, your work will become more easier. The here 50 meter, which is a tower given to us, tower, and here is hill whose height is taken as h meter. So this is hill given AB. So this way we have drawn our figure. Now we have to start in this triangle, that is BCD triangle, and this horizontal distance let I take as x. So tan 30 degree, tangent of 30 degree in this BCD triangle. So that is opposite side CD, so 50 and adjacent side x. Tan 30 degree value 1 upon root 3 is equal to 50 by x. Now taking crossway I get x is equal to 50 by root 3. So here 50 upon root 3. Taking value of root 3, or you can just keep it as it is right now because will not take its value. So this is not under, this will be in crossway. So 50 root 3 we get. Now next ratio tan 60 degree in another triangle, this triangle ABD. So for that tan 60 degree is equal to h, that is the hill's height, and upon x. Tan 60 degree value is root 3 is equal to h upon x. X value we have already found here. So I give you underline here x value that we can substitute instead of x here. So here I write root 3 is equal to h upon 50 root 3, placing value of x. Now then taken crossway, h value is equal to 50 into 3. Okay, so this is 150 meter, which is the height of the hill what they asked for. So this is our final answer. H is equal to 150 meter by calculations. So this way students, we have solved our whole exercise 17. You have to solve this in your notebook and understand. Thank you.